Okay, all right. So let's do this in April. I did some recording, and where's my sim? Okay, 2018. Oops, 2018 April. What was it again? 16? Yeah. Okay, perfect. April 16. Let's keep it at 2000. I mean 10,000 today. 65. April. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Charts. Let's start at 1 hour. 30. 15. 5 minutes. All right. Okay. So we're gonna do our usual London Open section pre-London, which is 2 hours before the London Open. So we are looking at 5 o'clock, right? 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. And we're gonna start mark up our charts. Okay. So for new members here, our simulation is super simple. We just basically daily high, daily low, and then we're gonna find some zone in between, and that's it. That's all you need for GJ. Let's see, okay, that's the zone. Okay, all right, so copy that, right? Actually, I also look at what happened last week. We are, oops, right here. So we have about 300 pips, and then about 250, 250 again the week before. So we are also in an uptrend here. Very good uptrend. Ooh, very good trend. Let's see. Okay, we might something like this. Okay, this is better. All right. So based on 1 hour, we can see that we have support level here and a resistance level here just for overall 1 hour. And if we are looking for sales, if we have a break here, we should be able to go all the way down even to that level like that. And for swing, that is for the swing level points. And if we're looking for buy here, then we should buy. And then we look at whatever it here in 4 hour. But we are intraday level. We only trade on intraday and in and out exit within the same day. So I don't really care about that right now. It's not really. It's still far away. So that is going to be just a zone here for Monday. And okay, we do have a little bit of a point here, and let's see. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. We do have. We can identify this very simple zone. Okay, and like that, I'm gonna do it in grade. Okay, all right, I think that's good. All right, so here, what does the doji level mean to you? It's basically a potential zone for a quick tap or reversal, or just a future zone that you might hit for reversal. Because I marked this up because we have this going on, right? And we have this break, so this is basically the high. And but if we drop, we could potentially drop to this level, but it's not there yet. So I still need to see what happened in the daily here first to identify if I'm going to use this or not. That's why I didn't copy here. Copied that in a different level. Just one sec. Okay, 1 sec. All right, sorry about that. Where were we? Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, all right, then we should continue. Let's play. We are at the pre-open. So basically we are looking for maybe a little buy here, or if the price come to here, I will see what happened. Then we will take short-term sales. We'll see. Let's see what happened. Since the overall right now, 1 hour is pretty heavy in buys, in uptrend right now. I'm expecting some rejection here to go up until it consolidate. Then we can see the sales. See, I'm looking at about 15 minutes, 5 minutes for rejection candle, but right now it doesn't seem like it. Right now we have this candle for the continuous bearish signal. So what that happened is probably no trade for me for today. If this continue go down, and if do a retest, if it can go down, then no trade for me. The only trade possible is going to be for if this reject, then we can see we can anticipate this is going to be might be a fake out at the bottom. Then we should be go up. That's going to be the only trade. 5 minutes. Okay. All right. Let's move on a little bit faster. We are still just one more hour till London Open. Um, 30 minutes is all right because I don't really like it because we have this candle right in 15 minutes. So we'll have a look in a little bit more. If I miss it, then I miss it, right? Because this is not really too great in my opinion. If this is bullish, then I like it more. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. Ooh, we are at London Open right now. London Open. Do we have any rejections? Candle in 5 minutes. We actually do have a good one here. Since we have basically a double bottom, let me double check 1 minute. I rarely use 1 minute, but I would like to see if I can find any confirmation here. Okay, it looks good to me. We have a couple one here, all making higher highs, right? I mean higher lows, and all these are rejecting candles, basically right at the double tap, double bottom support level. So I think we should be able to enter. Ideally, I would enter after this candle close. So let's see. And that's how many risks are we doing this time? Let's do 3%, small, normal size. To buy, and put stop loss below the entry levels, right? So 15 pips right now. We're gonna add a couple one. Let's do 20. Pip at 0.6, perfect. So we're gonna TP. We're gonna watch this level. I would like to TP all the way, but if this level start to reject, we're gonna take some out, and then we're gonna exit here. Exit. I'm gonna use these 0.63. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's go. So far, so good. Based on the 30 and 15, we don't have the bearish candle. We should be fine. Let's see, we are at 1 hour into London Open. 5 minutes looking good. If this candle close as a bearish signal candle, then I would consider closing early or at break even. But seems like we are good to go. If this 30 minutes close bullish, then we should be fine to move price to break even level. Okay. Let's see. It's still early for the day. Perfect. So this is should be fine at putting break even. 5:15. Okay, let's put that break even real quick. Right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Nice push. Should be okay. All right. 5 minutes. Quick little bit of rejection. I'm gonna take partial TP. Let's see. Close part as close as 50. Okay. Put that break even after 1-to-1 risk reward. Not really. I don't have a set pip amount or in order to put like I didn't calculate how much it went before I put break even. I just look at the how the candles form in 30 minutes and 15 minutes. The 30 minutes looks pretty good. Let me close this so it won't. Okay, so it's clear now. So basically, I look at these candles, right? If we have a nice push, right? Just 30 minutes, nice push. Also closing above this, right? Higher close, then it should be fine to continue. So break even should be safe. And also I put that break even after this 15 minutes, right? This 15 minutes, just a little bit of worry me, like right, like that, right? I saw that. So if the 30 minutes looks good, but 15 minutes was a little bit of rejection, so I kind of worry about that. So put that break even. Yeah, but I don't really look at that minor level. I look at the, as you can see, only 30 minutes and 1 hour. That's enough, right? But this is just for cautions to use at minor levels. So we hit the TP right at I think before New York Open, right? So that's it for today. Actually, I didn't even check news. Let's see. We're gonna go Euro. What's the date? 16. So tomorrow, 17, we have average earning index and CPI, retail sales. What year was this? 2018. Did we have Brexit at that time? I don't remember. Was Brexit? It started, right? But it wasn't that crazy until 2019. Okay, so I think still news still affect. Okay, let's continue next day. Okay, we're gonna go to 1 hour. So we didn't even need to bother to use this. I was expecting a little bit of fake out. I was expecting this to fake out and then go back up to daily range. Then we can take the buy, but didn't really need to use that. And let's do 5 o'clock, right? 5 o'clock. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. So this remained the same. This actually remained the same too. Very interesting. I never see this happen. Usually just one day of zone continue, but for this two level to daily high and daily low to continue is very rare. usually it like, somewhere like that, and then we move to daily high or daily low. It is super bear. So also we're gonna have a very clear, let me finish this off. Okay, perfect. Okay, very clear zone right here in between. Okay. All right. This should looks fine. Okay, let's look at 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes. So looking at 1 hour, go back to this, oops, damn, I don't wanna, okay, fix that. Okay, go back at 1 hour here, we do have this, right? So we kind of consolidating right now. If we are going to consolidate a little bit more, I will expect on Wednesday or Thursday, we're gonna have a big drop. And then next week, like after this simulation next week, we might hit the level. If not, then we will push up today, creating, breaking the daily high, then we will continue higher at that point for swing levels. And for intraday levels, this should look okay. Yeah, okay. Let's see if we can take any entry here, because sometimes it doesn't reach the daily high level, and instead we use the recent zones. Let's see. Oh, we are in here. Let's slow down a little bit. Okay, what level is this? 153.6. All right. Okay. I want a 15-minute here, not a 5. I want a 15-minute inside this zone, like that. Then we can take a buy. I mean sales. If not, we're gonna wait for the daily high level to reach before we can sell, because this is just a minor level. Let's see, 120, 150. Okay. Actually, the daily level look much better because we are at the PPL level at 0.8, right? 153.8. Much better than 0.6, which is also a minor zone. I would prefer this at a rejection at the daily high first, rather than this sells at the minor zone. But if there is a minor rejection here in 50 minutes, then I will go in as well. We are at London Open in 10 minutes. Let's see if we have any kind of push. Push. 5 minutes looks like rejection though, but I don't really like it happening. Even if we enter here, our stop loss is about 15, 20, and we also have a zone right above. I don't feel comfortable with that. 15, oh, we're gonna break for sure. We're gonna break this minor zone for sure. If you notice, we have this candle in 15 minutes line up with the 30 minutes, right? When that happened, it's usually gonna break that coming up zone. So this zone is gonna be invalid anymore. We're gonna, after this break, we're gonna delete that. Space rock candle, yeah. All right, yeah, it's not breaking, so it's not valid anymore. We're just gonna wait for this. Let's see, 1. give me some sort of rejection. If we look at if you look here, this is the official current day, right? Official current day. So let me see if I can fix that. Okay, this looks pretty good, and it overlap. Let me use a different color. That's better. Okay, so right, when this overlap, I like it when things overlap. I mean, it is more solid. So we have the last Friday's high, and then we have yesterday high, and we have basically this purple pink color is overlap, right? So that is very good. We tap that. Just give me a couple more minutes, see if we have any rejections. We are in London Open, 30 minutes in. Let's have a look. 5 minutes looks like we are having trouble breaking it higher. I'm just still waiting for, well, 5 minutes. I have a really good one right now. I think this is going to be it. I just want the 15 minutes to confirm. 5 more minutes, right? 45. If this 15 close bearish, oh, not yet. Oh, okay. Next 5 minutes, I would take the next 5 minutes because this is getting very slow. 5 minutes, having trouble breaking this now, right? We zoom in a little bit. We have this candle making the wick, and then all this candle failing to close above, right? So I think we should be fine for sales. So I just want a little bit more confirmations. Okay, I think we're good. Overall trending sub rate. Can you explain why you want to sales are expecting TJ to consolidate? Okay, let's take the sell first, then I'll do the explanations. Hopefully I'm right. Then if I'm wrong, then I was saying stupid. Let's see, 6 pip. Let's do 15 pips. Perfect. And we're gonna watch here. Same thing. We're gonna watch this minor level. Middle zone. If not, if it doesn't have any rejections, then we're gonna TP all the way down here. Should be fine. 30 minutes. I'm gonna do this to be safe. 15. Oh, this one. Okay, perfect. We are lined up at PPL 0.8, and let's do 0.82. 0.82. Perfect. Okay, let's roll. Okay, let's watch this real quick. Let's go. Okay, perfect. 5-minute close good, 15-minute close bearish. So, oh, and also 30-minute close bearish. Perfect. So let's see here. We have this going on, right? I will only buy because we have the right here. We have the resistance right here, right, from Friday. I will only buy if this break, then I'll take the buy. Otherwise, anything below here, this zone is still considered sells to me. However, overall, yes, we have the long-term bullish trend, right? But I'm not looking for swing levels, right? I'm only looking for intraday, so sales makes sense to me when we are at the resistance level. That's why I need to look out for this. If the price come back here, then we might be able to bounce and then go up. So we're gonna look for this level. If not, we should be able to come back. Even for buy, this could happen, right? one more tab, double bottom, right? So that's it, and we have a very clean, bare drop at about an hour and a half after open. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, we're just gonna watch at this level and might consolidate or reject. I kind of want to close. Okay, let's close. Damn. Okay. Normally I just close it when it have we have a couple enough pip 40 pip. So Ash, let's close this, break even, and then close. Let's do 75. Okay, now we are done. We're just gonna let it sit for the rest of the day. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're not gonna do anything right now. We're not gonna enter second position. Just gonna hold this. The reason I don't really like entering second position anymore, because GJ sometimes to pull back really heavily, and right now we don't really have a pullback options. I mean, it doesn't have a zone for GJ to pull back, so we might very well pull back all the way, right? Looking at the drop here, but we don't have a zone to mark out, right? So for GJ to pull back, we can pull back all the way and then drop. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see. And then we close, instead of closing 50, I closed to 75% this time. Last time, yesterday, I closed 50 because it looked better than here. So we'll see what happened. We are at New York, open soon. Okay, let's move a little bit faster. Okay. We are break even, so we should be fine. We out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm actually gonna trail it. Now we are super late into the day, and we made a curve like that, right? So trailing should be fine. Trail stop, actually right here, and yeah. Why don't you just close it? Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can close it. It makes sense to close. Actually, we are very late in the section. It might also consolidate here, so it makes sense to close. I just feel that we, looking at the 1 hour here, we should be able to at least tap this trend, right? So I might consolidate a little bit and then tap here, and then shoot up or go down. So this target, 152.8 should be doable, from my opinion. We can trail a little bit more. Let's see. I usually use, if there is a trend, if this continues to drop, not right now, I usually use 30 minutes and 15 minutes for trailings. Okay, 1 hour looks okay. We just need a solid brick. This is garbage breakout, right? We have a zone right here, and just a little brick, go back, little bit, go back. So it's garbage. really want a solid bearish candle. It's super late, so we're gonna fast forward a little bit. Right, we have the London close, and 1 hour looks good for. Actually, I'm just let it ride. I would put a trail here. Right, we have a good bearish candle. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Damn. That exit though. That exit. Look at that. God damn. So the exit, let's go through the exit a little bit. First, it's very late, right? And for the exit, I look at everything. It's the same. I look at 1 hour and then move on down. 1 hour, I was looking at this candle, basically putting TP right there. And then moving on 30 minutes, I do realize we do have something like here. And then moving on to 15, basically line up with this, right? So I just TP right there, right? And then it just tapped. So super good. Let's move on to, what is it? Wednesday, 4, 5 o'clock. Okay. All right. Something different. Let's delete some of this. Okay. This one I can actually use this, because this one is very ugly, but I use this, and I will also use this. How about that? Okay, let's see what 30 minutes look like. Oh my God. What's happening? All right, looks good. Okay, 30-minute looks like this, right? High, low, and this is kind of ugly. That's why I kind of leaning towards this level, but I still have this markup for zone. Let's see if I can fix a little bit here. Okay, I think zones are good. And we have the recent high right now, which also lined up here, which is very nice. I really like 30 minutes on GJ. 30 minutes tell me a lot of things. Yeah, you're right, Alex. 3 days of consolidations. It is going to be a very big drop. Are you the Alex, the one that we're gonna start the mentorship on July? Nice, perfect. Okay, I'll keep the 1 hour trend here. This one looks good. 30 minutes. Do we see anything? Okay, this is gonna have a minor zone right here. Mark it at orange. Smart zone. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I think so far so good, right? Looks pretty good. Actually, let me fix this high. Using this, right? Ooh, black. Okay, all right, so let's do this. My bias right now is, so Alex is right. After 1, 2, 3 day of consolidation, a breakout is basically 100%, 150%. We are going to break out either to the upside right here or to the downside. Upside would make more sense. I mean, not more sense, more looks better because for the pip wise, but for breaking down here, we do require this amount of pips first, which is going to be quite a bit already, and then we have a drop. But I do see that I should be looking at, we dropping right now. Let's see, 15, 30, 1 hour. Not yet. We don't have any rejection candles yet. With that, what I have experienced with GJ is if we have a trend right here, right, and then you start to consolidate for a while, then it is going to have a break like that. That's what usually happens for GJ, and it works very good for 1 hour, and same as the opposite way. For the bullish way like this, I tend to see a better for sales. Let's see. Still got a couple hour, 2 hour for London Open. Let's see, what level is this? 0.5, 153.5. Excellent level. Very good. Okay, let's do this. Push. 1 hour until open. Are we gonna touch daily high? Touching daily high was perfectly fine. 5 minutes, good rejections. 5 minutes, good rejection candle. I need one more confirmation for sell. Second confirmation, we also has 5 minutes. Do we have a 15 minutes though? 15 minutes got a break out. I probably would I still take it. This is going to be, it's gonna be a mindfuck, right? It's gonna be a mindfuck because 15 minutes we do have a breakout candle breaking out. However, we do have 5 minutes. 1, 2, very clean, very good, very signal candle. And then the third one here is not a good one, but we do not have a bottom wick here. It's not the best, but I would say 1, 2.5, I guess. 1, 2.5 signal candle, which looks very good. 15 minutes. This is not a 30-minute close. So if this, like, let's say we have a 30 minutes breaking. If right now, what I'm saying is if this is a 30 minutes candle, and this is the last 15 minutes after 30 minutes candle, if that makes sense. So let's say right here, if this is 6:30, this is 6:15 to 6:30, right? Then this is going to be continue high, but this is the 6 o'clock to 6:15. And you know what I'm trying to say? So this is a little trick that we can use. And actually, I'm going to take a sell. Forgot. Let's take the sell here, just based on that the 2.5 signal for 5 minutes. And this is going to be a fake one, I feel. So this is 3 pips. Let's do 10. Let's do 15, just to be safe. 15 looks good. And then we're going to take watch here. And then we're going to do all the way down here. 30 minutes, actually 1 hour. 1 hour, I was leaning towards this level, right? We could possibly take TP here, but just to be safe, I'm gonna just TP here. and watch the 15-minute zone, 15 minutes like that. This is 2.8 level, so that's 2.87, 0.875, whatever. It's all good. Okay, we're gonna watch for 5 minutes really, really carefully though. If the 5 minutes appear to have the bullish signal candle, then we are in trouble. However, this looks not bad, right? That's perfect. We have the 50-minute, the 30-minute, 15-minute close back below the range. It has to go down. It went up last 10 hours. Yeah, there's no way. Man, you're thinking like me right now. That's good. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's do here a little bit faster. We have the 30-minute close. We have about 20 minutes till open. Okay. I really just need the price to closing below these ones. Closing below these in 30-minute time frame, then I have a good confirmation, solid confirmation that we are heading down. Very nice. We have the 1 hour close. Okay, shit looks good. This one is 0.2 level, 153.2. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let me copy this. This is super minor, so I'm not too worried about it, but I still want to see if the 50 minutes have the bullish candle here. I should put it at break even right now. Put it at break even. Okay, that's good. So 15 minutes doesn't really have, this doesn't count. Doesn't really have a bullish rejection candle. We should be fine. Let's see, 15, 30 minutes. Okay, perfect, perfect. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? We did close. Holy shit. It's 71, 70, 72 pips. Is this the one? 72 pips? Yeah, 72 pips. We did TP. We did TP. Damn, that was quick. Was that what happened? News? What time is it? 18th and 8:30. Oh, CPI. Let's go, CPI. That's what's the CPI. Previous 2.7, forecast 2.7, actual is 2.5, lower than expectation. Is that anything else? 18. No, and also we have Euro CPI as well in 30 minutes. So if Euro is positive, then we might continue to drop. God damn. Negative CPI. We don't see this much anymore for current time, 2019 even, or 2020, because 2019 the Brexit was kind of taking over the headlines instead of CPIs and retail sales, average earning index. Those was kind of the headlines for 2018 and before, but for 2019 it was the headlines for Brexits, right? So it doesn't move like this anymore, unfortunately, for CPI, average earning index. I wish it still moved like this though. Yeah, it keeps dropping. So based on the 1 hour, we have a brick. Now, if we have a nice curve, then we should be able to go down. If this, like, a current day, fuck around a little bit and then go back up, then this might be a figure look like, you know, something like this, right? Something like that. Maybe something like this here, right? But if you have a nice curve, then I am expecting tomorrow or next week, maybe, I don't know, because we are on Wednesday. Actually, we got 2 more days. Maybe on Friday we'll drop, or even next week. So we'll have a look with that. Let's move on to tomorrow, right? Okay, let's see. 5 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, perfect. 5 o'clock. You're gonna adjust this right here. Okay, let me delete these ones, right? This stay here. Oh, just go here and this goes somewhere here. Let's have a look first though on 30 minutes. Never get this right. Copy, clone. Okay, this one is goner. Okay, 30 minutes. What price level are we looking at? 0.7. I don't really like this consolidation though. We'll see what happened in this area. Do we have 15 minutes? So 15 minutes, nothing. 5 minutes. This is a just straight thing. This is how many pips is this? 70 pips in 5 minutes yesterday. That's insane. Okay, let's copy that. Okay, so my no problem. Have a good night, man. Talk to you soon, or good morning. Okay. All right. Okay, we're just gonna play by ear right now. I'm looking for a sell here to continue for the bullish. I mean bearish side from this break. However, things that I'm worried right now is that this trend is a little bit high. We might like tap this, but I don't look at the trend as the entry level. I just look at the patterns. However, it still worries me because we're quite high. Maybe somewhere here, right? Somewhere there. But if there's a rejection, great. I still take the chance. I still take it. If this happen, in 50 minutes, then I'll go for it. 140, 152.98. All right, 15 minutes. It's okay. It's okay. This rejection kind of is okay. 5 minutes actually really good. Let's wait one more. Let's wait one more. If I enter here, I would prefer to enter at the top of the zone. One more candle. Oh, 5 minutes. Okay, if this break below here, it is a good confirmation for going down. Can we take a sell? Let's go. If there's one more candle like this in 5 minutes, then I'm gonna take it. Give me a rejection. One more minute. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Right, we have one signal here, second signal here. 5 minutes does not really look too good. It doesn't have anything yet. Let's see. I take a chance because I right now I am kind of really heavy in bear bias, right? As we are talking about here, and we should be. I'm just concerned this might be the level that we might be looking for, but overall it's bear sells. I just want to. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. This is about 4 pips, so let's do 10. How many is that? 7. If I go to 0.8, how many? 15. Actually, I'm gonna go 0.8 then. And then this is, we're gonna TP at the low right here, right? TP at the low, daily low, and this one we can actually swing a little bit lower. Here is good, 151. If you want to have fun, you can swing all the way down to 149. But ideally, this is going to be level. Yeah, this is level, and this is going to be the level that we would TP. So if you swing, this is basically 100% secure, and then TP here, TP there, and then a final TP at the very bottom of the original of the trend. Good. Let's see. Let's see if we have bearish. Okay, so far, so good. What time is it? 30 minutes till London Open. We need to break this orange minor zones. 5 minutes look like shit rejection, but 30 minutes we do have like that. So I am not too worried about 5 minutes right now. 30 minutes looking very good. So that override the 5 minutes. This 30-minute candle override the 5 minutes rejection candle, right? So we do have a good break. We're gonna put it at break even and TP at, let's see, this for TP 30 minutes. I'm looking for this candle, and 15 minutes I'm gonna look for it right here. So I'm gonna TP, the first secure TP is gonna be like that. Secure TP. One hour, 30 minutes, 15. Okay. Oh, a pullback. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's okay. We are at break even. So this 15 minutes doesn't look good. It's true, it doesn't look good, but we are break even. So if this takes us out, then we are basically done for today. For the day, let's go. We are at London Open, right? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Give me a tap at the red. Okay, we tap at the red right here, right? 15 minutes. 15 minutes right there. We mark that up, and we're gonna take some. Actually, this one I'm really bear bias. So let's just do close 33%, 1/3 of the tray, and then we're gonna ride Let's see if we can ride this after we're done tomorrow on Friday. We got one more day, right? Friday, and then we're gonna let it swing and see if we can reach those level. Oh, what a rejection. Okay, we're done. We're gonna let it go. Let it go. Okay. Let's go. If this breaking above orange, okay. I was gonna say that if this 30-minute close above this orange zone, this minor zone, then it's most likely we will hit break even and continue to go up. There's no reason for the price to go back that high when we have already rejected here for some retracement to continue to drop, right? So that's it for today, I think. Oh, is this sell? I'm just looking at 1 hour right now. We do have no this close. I should not take any trade. One trade a day. Keep the emotional away. Okay. Let's just look at 1 hour or 30-minute. I like 30-minute on GJ more. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I don't know what's happening. We hit our swing level already. Oh, my Lord. How many pip is that? 150. Oh, man. Don't you wish you grabbed those sometimes? Don't you wish sometimes like your bias, my bias was correct, right? And then just liquidity pull a bit higher, doesn't like respect the price action actually here. But I would never use this. I would never use this. I always use the most recent one. At least does make no sense to me, but it did. Sometimes it just doesn't make no sense for price action, right? And then it just go back all the way down. What a drop. So on Friday, this is how many pips is this? This is 250 pip drop. And we have basically 2 days, right? If we look at 1 hour, we have the Wednesday big ass drop, and then Thursday we also have a big ass drop. I don't expect Friday is going to be hitting this level. This level might probably next week we might consolidate here, tapping this level, and then go down. But let's just mark it up. Just mark up how we will look like on Friday. Probably no trade for Friday. I would prefer not to trade on after 2 days of a heavy break. Price is going to be a little bit funky. Let's see. Holy crap. This is crazy. Okay. And then delete this one. Okay, move this away. 1 hour, well, 30 minutes basically have nothing here. This is going to be posted on YouTube next weekend. Next week is not, there is no simulation next week, and it will be posted. So basically a bi-weekly simulation and post on YouTube bi-weekly as well. This is gonna be a little bit tricky. So we have the most recent, actually 1 more hour to go. Next bar, okay. This is gonna be our most recent one. Let's see. I'm gonna just leave this here, just for future reference. Yeah, no problem. Talk to you soon, man. Okay. I'm gonna have this play. Of course, our bias is continue from 1 hour. From 1 hour, continue bearish to this level. We are expecting Friday to consolidation after 2 days. After this drop, Friday is going to be consolidation or a little bit of a heavy pullback retracement first. Then we can continue to drop. But we do have a recent level that price should respect, which is what I'm eyeing for. I'm not keen on taking trades, but if the trade is there, I will take it, given it is Friday and all. So I'm gonna move a little bit faster. We have a drop already. So what I was going for was right here, right? Coming a little bit higher and then drop. And we have to London open right now. I don't want to take a buy. Should we take a buy? Let's see. I'm not. We could, but it doesn't look like a good buy. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip today. I don't want to take loss when I'm not comfortable with this. 30 minute looks like good rejection though. Okay, I'm gonna move faster. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it a buy. And sales, I would really prefer sales right here, right at the top instead of this brick. So I'm not gonna take anything. And we're just gonna move super quick. All right, Friday. No tray. That is perfectly fine. We have basically one tray for the past 4 days, right? I think we did, right? And we did quite well already. There's no need to force a tray on Friday, and especially after this huge move. After this huge move, Friday might just consolidation, right? It's not going to break for sure. But let's go on a couple more. I want to see if we hit this target, the swing level. If we have a sell here, we hit the T1 here for swing, and I just want to see if we are correct. So I'm just gonna go. Should I go 4 hour? I don't have 4 hour. Okay, I'm gonna keep clicking. And we did not. Okay, let's say we enter here. We will have break even, right? Let's see. I really want to see if we hit break even or. Actually, I can just close this and then go on 4 hour and then next bar. Oh, oh, I think that's it. Okay. Oh, we did hit that. We hit it after 2 weeks, 1 week, 1.5. We hit it. So we enter here. If we did, which we didn't, we hit the T1 right away for swing and then T2. That's why I don't really like trading swings. You have to wait entire week to hit your final target. Otherwise, for intraday level, I can just enter there, exit right away within a day. Luckily, I don't think we will hit break even, but I can't really say because I didn't enter there, right? So, yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for coming, guys. I hope you guys learned a little bit here and there. So we are good to go. All right, so we'll see you guys next week. Thank you very much for joining. Love ya.